my dear first class children, my dear little champions. Welcome to maths class. See, before going to first chapter, the first chapter is pre-number skills. Before going to numbers, we are going to learn some basic concepts. Already I teach you in the previous classes. I am going to continue same basic concepts once again. You all are listen carefully. Okay, Nana? See, these are the basic concepts. So many are there. So that don't worry. Already I explain you. Once again I explain and then continue the chapter. Okay, Nana? Ready, na? Very simple. See, first one. Big and small. Big and small. B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. Football is big. Cricket ball is small. Elephant is big. Rabbit is small. Okay? Watermelon is big. Apple is small. Depending upon the size of the given objects, we compare here size of the objects. Next one. Tall and short. T-A-L-L, tall and short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Teacher is tall. Children are short. Teacher is tall. Student is short. Mother is tall. Girl is short. Okay? Next one. More and less. M-O-R-E, more and less. L-E-S-S, less. More and less. More and less. More flowers, less flowers. More water, less water. More chocolates, less chocolates. Next one. Long and short. Long and short. L-O-N-G, long and S-H-O-R-T, short. Here, depending upon the height. Here, depending upon the length. Here, depending upon the quantity. See, long and short. Long pencil, short pencil. Long chalk, short chalk. Long frock, short frock. Near and far. N-E-A-R, near, and F-A-R, far. Near, far. Near and far. Blackboard is near. Blackboard is near. Table is far. Blackboard is near. Door is far. Next one. Inside and outside. Inside and outside. In, out. In, out. Inside and outside. Children are sitting inside the classroom while classes are going on. Bus is outside of the school. Teachers are parking their vehicles outside of the school. Children are playing in the playground. Playground is outside of the school. Children are listening lessons inside the school. Children are keeping their books inside the bag. Some students are keeping their belongings outside the bag. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Next one. On and under. O-N, on and under. U-N-D-R, under. On and under. The book is on the table. The duster is under the table. Apples are kept on the table. Glass is under the table. On the table, under the table. On the table, under the table. Next one. Behind and in front of. Behind and in front of. Be it a long word, you have to practice. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind behind. Blackboard is behind me. Now the blackboard is behind me. And in front of me. In front of me. My mobile is in front of me. I am in front of you. Children are sitting in front of the teacher. Teacher is standing in front of the table. Blackboard is behind the teacher. Behind. Venuka. In front of. Mundu. In front of. In front of. Behind and in front of. Next one. Top and bottom. T-O-P. Top and B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. See. Top. Bottom. Top. Bottom. Top of the blackboard. Bottom of the blackboard. Next one. Left and right. L-E-F-T. Left and R-I-G-H-T. Right. L-E-F-T. Left and R-I-G-H-T. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Okay. Left side. Right side. When I am going to turn it to blackboard, left side, right side, left side, right side. Next, up and down. U-P up, D-O-W-N down. Up and down, up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Next, before, after, between. Before, after, between. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. A-F-T-E-R. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. Between. Before, after, between. Next one. Above and below. Above and below. A-B-O-V-E. Above and B-E-L-O-W. Below. This is similar to on and under, up and down. Above and below. I am going to show one picture in another textbook. This is not our textbook. I show you for a picture. I want to show you a picture. That's why I bring this. See this picture. Observe. See. Understood? See. Fan, table lamp, table, ball. What are the things are here? Table, chair, table lamp, fan, ball. Now look at the fan. Fan is above the table lamp or above the table. See, it must be straight. Above. Above. Fan is above. Table lamp is on the table. On the table. Next, ball is, where is the ball? Ball is below the table. Below the fan or below the, see, ball is under the table, below the table. Okay, we are going to using below. Ball is below. Fan is above. Fan is above. Now table lamp is below the fan. Chudandi, table lamp ekkadundi? Fan kinda undi. This is below, this is above. Fan is above, table lamp is below. Now come to these two. Table lamp is below the fan. Yes, table lamp is on the table. Where is the table lamp? On the table. Where is the ball? Below the table. Where is the fan? Above. Above, below, on. When we are going to take these two things, fan is above, table lamp is below the fan. Are you observe the picture? Can I show you some more pictures? See, look at this. Top and bottom. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Another one. Above, on. See, balloon is above, teddy is below. Balloon is above, teddy is below. One more thing. More and less. I show you the pictures. See. See, more and less. More flowers, less flowers. More flowers, less flowers. More balloons, less balloons. More bananas, less bananas. Next, inside, outside. Inside, outside. This puppy is inside the canal. This dog is outside the canal. Inside, outside. See, inside the basket, outside the basket. Inside the cage, outside the cage. Inside, outside. See next one. Tall and short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Giraffe is tall. Rabbit is short. Okay. Big and small. Elephant is big. Rabbit is small. Watermelon is big. Apple is small. Whale is big. Fish is small. Okay, these all are going to comparison of the things. Long and short. Long and short. Long frock, short frock. Long frock, short frock. Long hair, short hair. Long hair, short hair. Snake is long. Caterpillar is short. Snake is long. Caterpillar is short. I show you the pictures. Some pictures in the another textbook. I going to next one. Near and far. Near and far. See this picture. The dog is standing near the house. This dog is far. Near, far. Here this bird is near the nest. This bird is far. Okay. Near, far. Near, far. Once again. Above, below. Fan is above. Table lamp is below the fan. Here when we are going to see the ball, ball is below the lamp and below the table. Okay, understood the concepts? Once again, you have to learn all the spellings and write table of 2 once again in your rough notes, my dear children. Okay, take care. Bye. Thank you.